The Coding Project.
The Coding Project, which is our computer programming project, started last year. We trained 200 students. This year we've trained over 300 students and we created 10 centers. We also extended the program to Takrady, where we train 35 young people there.
Our unique coding method has been introduced on Manet Court, Spintex Road.
I decided to join the coding class after my BEC, and my mom inspired me to join.
Honestly, I didn't know my son can go to that extreme to create a website, homepage, and then do a whole lot of things.
I created a news website myself, which contained news, breaking news, interesting stories all across the country.
At the end, when I came to the day they were finishing, even the small ones can even create their own page and then create a game and then play. I was so amazed and I said, oh, I should have brought him earlier than this so that by now he would have been at the level that he wanted to be. But anyway, it's not late.
Through the Scratch program, I've been able to learn how to create my own games and animations like the one I showed here earlier today. In the near future, I'd like to use my coding skills to create more games and animations, post them online to get an income at my age and build something with the money I get.
My website is a tourism website for people who come from abroad to Ghana. On my website, if you want to contact me, there's a link called the sign up link. You click on it and you type in your email address, your age, your name, your phone number, and it sends it to my phone, so I'll be able to contact you well, and I'll help you if you want to go anywhere in Ghana. I would like to use those skills to become a professional website developer.
In the near future, I'd like to create a website that will attract more people to come to me, so that I'll create websites for them, so that I'll become a professional web developer.
I want to learn it myself so that when they are doing it, I can move alongside with them so that we'll all grow together.
I hereby encourage every parent to allow his or her ward to have a feel of what computer programming or coding is. This is the day, this is the age, this is the time. Without it, we are nowhere.
I would like to encourage you guys to come and learn how to code in IIPGH.
I encourage girls and boys, or even outdoors, to come and join the IIPGH coding class.
Join the IIPGH coding program. Join the train.
Visit our website www.iipgh.org/coding.